Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet this lovely scarf. It's made using the classic V-stitch enhanced with tassels. It has a soft texture and drapes beautifully. This stitch pattern works up quickly and only takes half a skein of yarn to complete. I used this Baby Bee Sweet Delight prints. It's a size 3 lightweight yarn and a recommended size 4.5 mm hook. The pattern uses a multiple of 3 chains plus 2. This scarf has 15 cluster V stitches with 47 chains. But for this tutorial, I'm making 20 chains for a smaller sample. Here I have 20 chains for the foundation. For row 1, we work the single crochet stitch for the entire row. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Continue working the single crochet stitches across to the last chain. Moving on to row 2. Chain 3 and turn the work over. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch. We'll start creating our cluster V stitches. Skip 1 stitch, work a double crochet in the next stitch. Double crochet. Chain 1 and work another double crochet in the same stitch. One cluster V stitch is complete. Now skip these 2 stitches and work a cluster V in the following stitch. Double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet in the same stitch. That's our second cluster V stitch. Skip 2 stitches, work a cluster V in the next stitch. Continue by repeating the pattern across the row. After the last cluster V stitch, you will have 2 stitches left. For this corner stitch, skip 1 stitch instead of 2 and work a double crochet in the last stitch. So you have 1 double crochet at the beginning and 1 double crochet at the end. These stitches keep the borders straight. Moving on to row 3. Chain 3 and turn the work over. Now, with our cluster V established, it gets easier. We work a cluster V into the chain spaces of the previous clusters. Double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet One cluster V stitch is complete. Place the cluster V into this next chain space. That's our second cluster V stitch. Repeat the same stitch pattern across the row. To close out the row, work a double crochet on the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. Moving on to row 4. Chain 3 and turn the work over. From here on out, repeat row 3 until you reach the length of the scarf you want. After the last cluster V row, chain 1 and turn the work over. Work a single crochet in each stitch across to the end of the row. Your scarf will have single crochets on both ends. We'll add tassels to each end of the scarf. We attach tassels in every third stitch. Count the number of stitches and divide them by 3 to determine the number of tassels you need. Cut out a cardboard 6 inches in length. For each tassel, wind 3 times loosely around the cardboard. Cut one end of the wrap yarns off the cardboard. Hold 3 strands of yarn together. With the hook, draw one end of the yarns through the first loop. Draw the other end of the yarns through the second loop. Now hold all the strands together, including the strand of loose end, and loop them through the center part of the yarns. Trim off the uneven ends. This pattern has a soft texture and drapes beautifully. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.